si è presa sta cazzo?
Today I will show you how to replace the tie rod of your Citroen C3 MK2. Okay. Remove the wheel.
Turn the steering wheel to the left. Clean the nuts and the threads of the tie rod with a wire brush.
Ok.
Then lubricate them. Use a 16mm socket to remove the ball joint nut and leave it just on the top of the thread. Measure the distance between the locking nut and the end of the thread. This must be the same when installing the new tie rod. Loosen the locking nut with a 22mm wrench. Hammer down the ball joint by hitting the nut. With a combination of 13 and 22mm wrenches, remove the old tie rod.
As you can see, this tie rod is very broken compared to a new one like this. Out with the old and in with the new.
Clean the thread with a wire brush and clean the surfaces of the steering knuckle. Lubricate the thread with an anti-seize grease. Screw in by hand the new tie rod. Check the distance between the locking nut and the end of the thread.
Ecco qua ci siamo già.
Screw the ball joint nut. Tighten up the locking nut. Then tighten up to 60 Nm the ball joint nut.
60 Nm.
Reinstall the wheel.
Si è presa sta cazzo?
Tighten the wheel screws to 110 Nm.
110.
And that's it. So, if you like my video, click on thumb up and subscribe to my channel.